So we left maybe here, right? So Mitchell, can you understand up to this line?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So now we have to calculate this part. Integration of cos square u du. So because as we use u substitution rule, that means we have to change the limit. Okay. So you see here, we have come up to this line. So if as we are using u substitution rule, that means we have to change the limit. So previously our limit was 0 to 1. Our limit was 0 to 1. Okay. So now we just need to substitute 0 and on here. Okay. Firstly, you can substitute on here. So you get sine on. So sine on, that means sine 0. Okay, let's substitute first the lower limit here first. Okay. If you substitute the lower limit here, so it will be x equal to sine 0. So sine 0, the value of sine 0 is 0, right? So we get 0. And if you substitute on here, so sine 1, sine on is sine on value is sine 90 degrees equal to 1, right? Sine 90 degree. So sine 90 degree means pi by 2, right? Pi by 2, sine pi by 2. Michelle, am I right?
Yes, you're right.
Okay. So that's why our new limit is 0 to pi by 2. Our new limit is 0 to pi by 2. Okay. And inside we have on minus x square. So instead of x square, we can write down. Oh, I already discussed this part, right? In here I already discussed up to this line. So the next line, this is this is another formula. You see here, cos square t is equal to cos 2t plus 1 by 2. I'm very disappointed with the network. Guys, I'm back.
But
So
buying new things
disappointed.
like new clothes and stuff. Oh, sorry, Oma.
Yeah, sorry. I couldn't.
Oh,
Sorry, hello. I couldn't understand.
Yeah.
oh. I just talked to Serge. He told me that he in his country.
Hello.
Maybe
Yeah,
you're.
yeah. Past years, like in 2016 and backwards. Sorry, Oma.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, I'm so
Oh, sorry.
disappointed
You're
with an
talking.
internet
Sorry.
issue.
Me too. Me too. I have the same problem.
Guys, at least you live in city, but I live in village, so
Actually,
is.
it's not about the like MB thing, like mobile connection. It's my Wi-Fi connection is slow. It's the the Wi-Fi, the
Yeah, I see.
giving quality internet.
We need to go back in Shanghai as soon as possible because
I don't
online
think next year
there's.
would be there any hope. Next year is also like hopeless. There is no hope.
I don't think so. I think maybe next September or before September it will be. There will be some hope, I think. Still
I
some
hope
perception.
I hope your words might come true, but I'm not getting my hopes up.
Okay,
I'm
so we
tired of.
have cos square t. So there is a formula. That is cos square t is equal cos 2t plus 1 by 2. Okay. So it came from this formula. Cos 2t is equal to 2 cos square t minus 1. So if you just if you keep cos square t on the on side and everything else on another side, so you will get cos square t is equal to cos 2t plus 1 by 2. Okay, so that's why I write down this formula, and I can take this constant out 1 by 2. I can take this constant out. So 1 by 2 integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos 2t plus 1 dt. And then I have to calculate integration of 1 dt and integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos 2t dt. Okay. So let's calculate integration of 1 dt. So it will be, so integration of 1, that is x, and our limit is from 0 to pi by 2, from 0 to pi by 2. So now we input the upper limit and minus we input the lower limit. So upper limit is pi by 2, that means pi by 2 minus 0. So pi by 2 minus 0 is pi by 2. Okay, so this is the value, pi by 2. And integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos 2t dt, this part, so I have calculated here. Okay, so again this is a substitution rule because we have 2t here. So we let u is equal to 2t and then we differentiate on the both side, so we get du is equal to 2 dt. So guys, see here we have 2 dt, right? We have 2 and dt. We have 2 dt. Okay, fine. So now as we used substitution rule, that's why we have to change the boundary. We have to adjust the boundary. So our lower limit was 0 and upper limit was pi by 2. So here we have to input the value here. So 2 into 0, that means 0. So our lower limit is 0. Okay, and if we input pi by 2 here, so it will be 2 into pi by 2. That means we can cancel this upside 2 and downside 2 and we get pi. So our new limit is 0 to pi. So integration of 0 to pi, then so we are calculating this line here. Okay, integration of 0 to pi cos u, that means we let 2t is equal to u, so cos u, and half du because dt is equal to, you see here, if I take this 2 on the left side, if I take this 2 on the left side, so dt will be half du. Okay, dt will be half du, so that's why I write here half du, and then we can take the constant out. To take this constant out, so integration of 0 to pi cos u du, it will be sin u. Okay, and then we have to calculate the limit, that means upper limit, we have to substitute the upper limit minus we have to substitute the lower limit, so it will be sin pi minus sin 0. So sin pi, that is 1, sorry, sin 180, that means sin pi. So let me see here, all sine. Okay, guys, do you still remember the high school math, all sine tan cot?
No.
Oh no, Michelle, do you still remember the high school math, all sine tan cot? So here we have sin pi. Pi means 180 degree. Okay,